So this video is how about to winning fungus mycelius out of the fungus and try to reproduce it from the tree plug what's set together with this mycelius for a time and then put it in the tree stump and waiting for 6 to 8 months. But this will come in part 2 in 6 to 8 months. Nice cut, huh? Yeah, perfect. Straight. So, now the big one. Now I'm good. It will take me a while. I think I'm needing some minutes for that. It's a bit wet. It's still wet a little bit, so that's where the saw is sticking to it. This little thing hold everything together. Oh, fine. I'm good. Ooh. Imagine how strong this little piece can be, huh? Oh my god. Man, cool, but cool. So I'm finished with that, and then I can start my project, actually, because this is only the beginning. I will soon drill some holes in here. You see, this is different types of wood. This was the work of today. My nice tree stems. 4 different types of tree, wooden types, 4 types of wood, and A lot of clish clash. Greasy. This last one was really greasy. Like the Christmas tree type, yeah. And all the others. So yeah, that will be nice. And then, what they call it, I don't know. So, but anyway, you see, these trees are quite old. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 6, 7, 20, 23, 5, 6, 32 years old. 32 years, oh my god, that's an old one. And this is actually not so old, this one. It's a little bit younger, it looks like it, like the half. So, I'm happy with the result of today's work. I have cut these tree stumps with a hand. Mostly, I'm happy with the result. And I take a break for now, for today, and continue tomorrow, and we'll see how it works, because it's my first time this project, doing mushrooms, and then working with wood stems, drilling in some tree plugs, and I have prepared it already in my fridge, and I will show it soon to you. Okay. Like I said, I will continue now with part 1 of this tree stumps here. Yeah. Drilling holes into it. I have 4 different varieties of trees. I just grabbed them from the outside of the road, so I just don't know the varieties of the tree types, but I will find out soon, and then I will just link it in the description. And what I want to say, this is a method I never tried before, so I will see what's happening, and it will last at least 6 to 8 months before I see results. So now we have late autumn, so in the next summer it will be ready. So it will be no update in the next months, but anyway, it will really be exciting to see if there come some results. So I just start drilling holes and preparing and make it ready. It's a hard one. Okay. You see, it's maybe a centimeter or so in. Soft spot. There we go. Good. Now all holes are drilled. I prepared with this plugs. This time is an oyster mushroom. I have more types, but for demonstrating I think one is enough. And I have melted bee wax, and I will prepare this afterwards to ensure that no bacteria or insects coming through the mushroom or in the hole. So I will seal it from the outside with the melted beeswax. You see? Now it's sealed. Really nice. Really nice sealed, this one. Next one. So this is how I do it. You will see when it's finished, and then I just continue. Okay, you're getting the point. The beeswax is actually stiffen faster than I can work, so I just will melt it and do it over again on these places where I didn't seal it with wax. And yeah, you could just take a look on this. That's how it looks. It's like after I installed the wooden plug and then seal it with the beeswax and finish, and then waiting only 6 to 8 months. So hopefully it will be good. We will see after 6 to 8 months what's the result is, and wish me luck. It's my first try. Thank you. Until then, see you. Bye bye.